Alright, so today we're going to be looking to figure out the actual yield of barium phosphate. So as we can see in this reaction, barium nitrate reacts with sodium phosphate to form barium phosphate, sodium nitrate. Now the masses are listed below. Mass of barium nitrate is 7.69 grams. The mass of sodium phosphate, 5 grams. And then we're looking to find the actual yield, eventually, of barium phosphate. Now this reaction would be a double displacement reaction. Akin to a dance, the two reactants switch partners, or in this case, ions and elements. So, first of all, we've got to find the limiting reactant. So to do so, we're going to find the number of moles of barium nitrate, which is equal to mass over molar mass, which is then equal to the mass, which is 7.69 grams, over the molar mass, which is 261.3 grams per mole, and that gives us 0.0294 mole. Next, we're going to find the number of moles of sodium phosphate. So how we do this is we do the same thing, mass over molar mass. That's equal to 5 grams over 163.94 grams per mole. And that comes out to 0.0305 mole. Alright, but which of these two is the limiting reactant? Well, to figure this out, we take the number of moles of barium nitrate and we divide it by the coefficient, which is 3. So divide that by 3. And then same thing, we take the number of moles of sodium phosphate, we divide it by its coefficient, which is 2, so over 2. This leads us to get 0.0294 over 3 and 0.0305 over 2. These come out to 0.0098 and 0.01525. Because this one is smaller, it is the limiting reactant, making this one excess. So now, to find the theoretical yield, we need to build a ratio. So we're going to take our limiting reactant, which is barium nitrate. We're going to write that in. And the number of moles of barium nitrate we already calculated is equal to 0.0294. And so we're going to find what we're looking for, barium phosphate. We're going to put that under here. So barium phosphate. And then that we need to find the number of moles of barium phosphate. Alright, so once we cross multiply them, that's our next step. We find the number of moles of barium phosphate is equal to 0.0098 mole. Lastly, we have to use our equation to find the actual yield. So we know that the percentage yield is equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield. Alright, so we know that our percentage yield is 67%. We don't know our actual yield still, and we know our theoretical yield is 0.0098. So what we do is we multiply this by this, we get our actual yield is equal to 0.67 multiplied by 0.0098, and we find out that our actual yield is equal to 0.06566 mole. And so that means that in the end, our final answer is therefore the actual yield of the precipitate is 0.07 mole, because we round it to 2 decimal places. There we go. Thank you for watching.